Okay, welcome to this first of many videos on our automated trading system, which we developed about a year ago, and we're now testing. Well, we've been running it on a demo account from August last year, 2015, and we've recently just started running it on a live account also. So and just to give you some sort of idea of what it can do or what it's capable of, here we are on our website, which is automated-trading.net, and if you go to the proven results demo money, there is a small back testing video which you can watch, explains a little bit on back testing, or you can just scroll down and just look at the numbers. So here's August account statement, demo account for August. Here's the account statement, there's our opening balance. There is our closing balance. And September, we took a bit of a hit in September, but we still come out still profitable. And October, we crawled back a good bit and broke the 51,000 barrier, so we broke the £1,000 barrier. November, again, we took another hit. And December, we're crawling back again, and now the account is showing January statement will look pretty darn good. So anyway, the system runs on what we call a virtual private server, which we can connect to a remote desktop and run MT4 24/7, because that is what we back tested. We back tested it without any time filters. There are a few versions that we have back tested with time filters, but the ones that didn't require time filters were the most profitable. So we'll now just switch over to that remote desktop now. Okay, so here we are in our remote desktop on our virtual private server, where we host different versions of MT4, which is very useful for running automated systems and as a very good backtesting feature. So anyway, here is the system in action, and here is the demo account that we just previously looked at. The balance of that account now is 51,200 something. It has one open trade at the moment on Euro US dollar, which it took last night, I believe. It sold US dollar at 108.78. The take profit was placed by myself, because that's where I believe the market could possibly go to, but it has another exit feature which it can execute if it wants to. Well, it's programmed to execute that feature if a certain condition happens on the chart. So I'm just going to run into try and cover a little bit of how it and why it decided to sell the market at that level. So let's go out to a more detailed chart. So the system trades basically on the 5-minute time frame, and that's where we designed it to do, and that's where I wanted it to trade from, simply because well, if we go to the 60 on Euro USD, we've basically got a load of consolidation here. We got a breakout, almost a breakout yesterday, and a good retrace back up in the previous resistance. But primarily, there wouldn't be a lot to get excited about here. There's no real obvious break to the up or down, apart from this move here, which was something that could have turned into something, but it still could. So, but if we go to the 5-minute, we can see it in more detail. The auto system saw this downward move, which is a clear break, a clear move downwards, and it's now looking for a reason to get involved somewhere in around previous resistance, which is up around here, which corresponds with the 200 moving average, and that was 108 It sold at 108.78, I believe, was somewhere down here, so it got in a little late. It should have been around here, but the point is, it sold it at the level where it predicted the market to retrace to, and now it's looking to exit at 107, which is over 100 pips. It's not right all the time, but the point is, on the 5 minute we can use small risks. For example, the risk on this would be like 20 to 25 pip stop loss versus 150 pip wins sometimes. So our backtesting results show us that this method is extremely profitable, so therefore that's the only measuring stick we have. So our test results show us that, so that's what we should be trading. That's what I've tested. That's how I should be trading. So before I leave the video there, I just want to touch a little bit on why the reason behind automation. Because when I started off trading a few years ago, one of the things I found is that, well, for start off, I still had to run my own small car business, which left me limited time to trade, and it sort of felt like, well, you know, the break in consistency by coming away from the markets to do other things was the reason why I was getting nowhere and wasn't making any money with trading. The reason for automation is it takes that away, so you can be doing your everyday things while this system, like many others, is running in the background. You can set time filters for it to trade, switch on at 7 in the morning, switch off at 5 in the afternoon. The point being, the consistency never breaks. And if you backtest something, you're backtesting something on the basis that every time an opportunity occurs in the market that you will trade it, but you're never going to be there in front of the computer each time that opportunity occurs. The automated system it will be there watching for every opportunity that we have programmed it to look for, and when that opportunity occurs, it will take that trade. It may be a loser, it may be 3 losers, but when it gets a winner, it gets a good winner. There are multiple break-even settings for move risks and stop settings to break even once the market moves certain directions, again, which we have tested and know to work. So anyway, I think that's all I'm going to cover in this video, because we could talk all day about automation and trading. For now, this is just a quick hello and introduction to this automated system. As these trades pan out, I will keep you updated. These trades can last for days, even though this is based on the 5 minute time frame. They can still last for days. So this is Friday, and we're coming up to lunchtime Friday afternoon, so this could be Monday, Tuesday before this trade pans out. When it does, I will keep you up to date. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video, and hit the like button if you like it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be appreciated. All comments, any questions are all treated and equally, and we'll get back to all of them. So again, thank you for watching.